Before you begin adjusting your bed, ensure that you have all parts and tools that are needed. You are going to need 4 bed frames, 2 if you have a 5-foot, 1 stabilizer bar, 4 pins, and 2 clips. You're also going to need a mallet just in case it's stuck, and you can check that out at the front desk. Find a friend or a family member to help you. If you don't have a second person, please submit a maintenance request. Identify or decide with your roommate which side you would like. If you're in a suite, it will be whatever side you're assigned to. Then choose the height of the bed. You can either have it at low, captain's height, or a bunk bed.
First, you want to remove your mattress. And then next, you'll want to remove your bed frame. Put your foot on here before you do any lifting, just to secure this. And then we will set this off to the side. If you're having issues getting your bed up, you can take a rubber mallet and hit the corners to loosen it, and then it should come up, no problem. And when you do put your bed together, you'll want to make sure that the ends of these have the holes toward the floor.
So now we're going to put on the stabilizer bar. You want it to be 5 pins down, which means there should be 4 pins showing. And you want to ensure that the pins, these holes, are pointed up. So now you're going to go, and in the top drawer, there should be pins and clips. You're going to put them in these little holes. Now we have these C-clips, and we're going to put them in opposite corners in between the bottom bed end and the top bed end.
Before you put your mattress on, you want to apply the safety rail. This is if you have your bed lofted. It goes on like this and hooks up like so.
Now your mattress is ready to go back on.
If you will not be lofting your bed, the extra bed ends, pins, clips, stabilizer bar, and safety rail still need to stay in the room. We suggest keeping the pins in the top desk drawer at the back. The extra bed ends should not be stacked on top of your unlofted bed without a stabilizer bar. They can be stored on either side or behind your unlofted bed. If you have one of the 5-foot style beds, you will only need to adjust the bed frame to your desired height. No stabilizer bar, pins, or clips needed. You can request to add or remove a ladder by submitting a maintenance request in your resident portal or through the K-State HDS app.